Hi, it's Stuart Carter here from Howard's Peugeot and Hyundai in Dorchester. Just about to show you a short video on this Peugeot 3008 SUV. This particular one is a GT line with the 1.6 Blue HDI 120 brake horsepower diesel with the 6-speed manual gearbox. The vehicle's in ultimate red pearlescent and was registered 2018 on a 67 plate. Now on London Road in Dorchester, if you'd like to pop down and have a look at the car or take a test drive, or give one of the team a call on 01305 266 066. And I hope you enjoyed the video.